We are having with us Jaskaran Deol, who is Dakha Halka in charge. Today, Akali Dal has protested against Atishi. So, what do you want to say about this protest?
See, today protest was against Atishi and Bhagwant Mann. The reason being, few days back in Delhi Vidhan Sabha, Atishi, because she had stayed, I guess, chief minister for a year and a half, and I guess she is still in that mode that she is the chief minister and she can do anything. She has given remarks against our Guru Sahib. Even I can't, tell those remarks. Those remarks are having lack of respect. That's why we protested against Atishi. There was a Rose Dharna agitation throughout this district. All the workers came, all the leaders came, senior leadership. We had this protest, then we went to the ADC. We have given the memorandum and we have, burned the effigy of Atishi.
What are your demands? What in the memorandum what you have mentioned?
See, we have requested a strict action against Atishi because the reason being, today it is Atishi. If Sikh Dharm, if Akali Dal will not take any legal action against Atishi, or if the department will not take any legal action, in future there will be many more like this.
But the claims made by Aam Aadmi Party, they are saying that they have not made any objectionable comments. The videos being circulated on the social media by the opposition party, that is all an altered video through AI.
See, Legislative Assembly, I guess it is a very, sacred place. Whatever remarks you give there, it is recorded, right? They are using Punjab Police. They have registered FIR against some people who have made the video viral. But why don't Delhi police take action? She is MLA of Delhi. Why is not Delhi police taking action? Even the Speaker of Delhi Legislative Assembly, they have issued a notice to Commissionerate Jalandhar, Madam Commissioner of Jalandhar, that why have you registered FIR without taking our remarks on? It is this matter, Madam Speaker or respectable Speaker of Delhi can clarify, is the video real or fake? As per our information, the video is very true. You know what happened over there? There were discussions going on, and Atishi, always she remains in a very aggressive mood. And she gave the remarks, she compared our Guru Sahib in such words which I cannot brief here. So we demand strict action. But one thing I want to mention, if you go in depth in this matter, this helicopter matter and press reporters, the FIR which was lodged on them, that matter was coming onto the shoulders of Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann, just to divert the attention, because this Atishi is Mrs. Loyal of Arvind Kejriwal. Whatever Arvind Kejriwal will say, I guess she will be like, if you are slapping Arvind Kejriwal, don't slap him, you can slap me. So that is why, by planning, in a planned manner, she has given that statement. So the attention of Punjab and the people of Punjab and entire press can be diverted towards Atishi matter. But as Akali Dal leaders, as Akali Dal workers, as member core committee of Youth Akali Dal, it is my duty that we will not let this helicopter matter also even go. They have, wasted 50 lakh rupees on the helipad just for the sake of 50-60 meters. So Arvind Kejriwal only have to walk 50-60 meters to the rest house, to the luxurious rest house, which wherever he is residing, because they are doing mistakes day by day. And just to divert the attention, they have done this, but we will not let it go.